Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Garageband and creating a software instrument track set to a piano patch. This gives you the correct routing and effects chain. Once done, set tempo and key to match the song and choose a grid resolution like 1/4 or 1/8 so your timing aligns. Make sure the metronome and countin are enabled for consistent takes. This reduces timing errors and helps you focus on playing rather than keeping time. You now connect your MIDI keyboard or enable the Mac keyboard as input, selecting it in GarageBand preferences so notes register correctly. Once connected, record several short takes rather than one long pass. Use cycle mode to loop a tricky section and build a comp. After recording, review takes and choose the best phrases. Quantize lightly when needed to fix timing while preserving groove, and tweak velocity curves to balance dynamics so that you finish by comping your chosen phrases into one clean performance. Then open the piano roll to trim note lengths and delete stray MIDI events that cause clicks. Next, add gentle EQ to remove mud, a short reverb for space, and light compression to even dynamics. Automate volume or pan for interest. Finally, export your mix as WAV or MP3. If you encounter latency or missing notes, check MIDI buffer, update drivers, and restart GarageBand. This usually resolves timing and input issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.